1. Which of the following is an illegal character in a Linux file name? A asterisk, asterisk. B. Dot. C slash, forward slash. D underscore, underscore. Answer: C. Any of these characters are acceptable in a Linux file name except the forward slash, slash, which is used exclusively as a path separator. 2. Which command pauses after displaying a screen's worth of directory contents? Choose 2. A. dirp. B. lsmore. C. lsp. D. dir/p. Answer: B. D. The lsmore and dir/p commands in Linux and Windows, respectively, pause a long listing at the end of the page. 3. Which of the following commands will delete all the files in a directory in Linux? A. del. B. del all. C. rm asterisk. D. rm all. Answer: C. Type rm asterisk and press enter to delete all files in a directory in Linux. 4. Which command do you use to determine your exact folder location, path, in Linux? A. dir. B. path. C. pwd. D. prompt. Answer: C. The pwd command enables you to determine the current folder location in Linux. 5. Which Windows command is functionally equivalent to the Linux ls command? A. dir. B. command. C. copy. D. dd. Answer: A. The Windows dir command accomplishes a similar function to the Linux ls command. 6. What do you type before a Linux command to access help for that command? A. help. B. C. man. D. slash. Answer: C. Access the help for a Linux command by typing man command name. 7. Which of the following Linux commands will show detailed information about the contents of a folder? A. lsl. B. lse. C. lsh. D. lsk. Answer: A. Type lsl and press enter to see detailed information about a folder in Linux. 8. What command, identical in both Windows and Linux, will tell you the name of the computer? A. host's grep. B. woami. C. host name. D. net name. Answer: C. Type host name and press enter to discover the host name for just about any computer. 9. Of the following, which best describes the function of the Windows gpresult command? A. lists all recently updated group policies. B. lists the group policies applied to a user. C. lists all changes to a user's group policies since the last refresh. D. lists any and all conflicting group policies. Answer: B. The gpresult command in Windows lists group policies applied to a user. 10. How do you run a command at the Windows command prompt with administrative privileges? A. enter an elevated username and password at the command prompt. B. right-click a command prompt shortcut and then select Run as Poweruser. C. right-click a command prompt shortcut and then select Run as Administrator. D. The CMD command only runs with administrator privileges. Answer: C. To run a command at the Windows command prompt with administrative privileges, you would right-click a command prompt shortcut and then select Run as Administrator. 11. Which utility is useful in identifying a program that is hogging the processor? A. Task Manager. B. Device Manager. C. Action Center. D. System Information. Answer: A. Task Manager will identify very quickly a program that is hogging the processor. 12. Which Windows utility uses points in time that enable you to return your system to a previous date and state? A. System Configuration Utility. B. Snapshot Manager. C. System Restore. D. Grub or Lilo. Answer: C. System Restore uses restore points snapshots of a system at a given point of time, a quick and handy way to return your system to a previous state. 13. Scott's Windows 10 computer isn't performing as well as it once did. What option can he use to reset his system without deleting any personal files or changing any settings? A. Keep my files. B. Remove everything. C. Advanced Options / System Restore. D. System Refresh. Answer: A. Keep my files in Windows 10 rebuilds Windows, but preserves all user files and settings. Remove everything removes all apps, programs, user files, user settings, and presents a fresh installation of Windows 14. What can device drivers and failing hardware in Mac OS and Linux cause? A. Spinning windmill. B. Blue screen of death, BSOD. C. Kernel panic. D. Terminal emulation. Answer: C. Device drivers and failing hardware can trip up Mac OS and Linux and create kernel panic, which can bring the system down. 15. Which of the following points to a hardware or CMOS problem rather than an OS problem with a PC that won't boot? A. A black screen with the error message invalid boot disk. B. A black screen with the error message NTLDR BAT or missing. C. A black screen with the error message missing boot.ini. D. A black screen with the error message invalid BCD. Answer: A. A black screen with an invalid boot disk error message points to a hardware or CMOS problem with a PC that won't boot. 16. John's computer has an error that says bootmgr is corrupted. What tool can he use to fix this problem? A. Bdedit. B. chkdsk. C. Diskpart. D. regedit. Answer: A. The Bdedit program can fix a corrupted bootmgr. 17. What does Microsoft call the 32 or 64-bit installation environment in Windows? A. WinEE. B. WinPE. C. WinRE. D. WinVM. Answer: B. Microsoft calls the 32 or 64-bit installation environment in Windows the Windows pre-installation environment, or WinPE. 18. Jane suspects a bad RAM stick is causing Windows to fail to boot. What default Windows tool can she use to check the RAM? A. MemMaker. B. Memtest 86+. C. Windows RAM Diagnostic Tool. D. Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool. Answer: D. Jane should use the Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool to scan her RAM. 19. Which of the following commands will repair a damaged master boot record in a Windows 10 PC? A. bootrec/fixboot. B. bootrec/fixmbr. C. fixboot. D. fixmbr. Answer: B. Run bootrec/fixmbr in the Windows RE to repair a damaged master boot record in a Windows 10 PC. 20. Which feature in Windows 7 and Windows 10 enables you to right-click a file or folder and restore previous versions of that file or folder? A. System recovery options. B. System protection. C. File history. D. Undelete. Answer: B. The system protection feature in Windows 7 and Windows 10 enables you to right-click a file or folder and restore previous versions of that file or folder.